Hey guys, so here's the unboxing of the Q4 RAF Eightarc, I don't know what you call it, Fightstick I guess, that recently arrived. Some people wanted to see the unboxing of it, so here it is. Box itself looks pretty good. It's got English and Chinese writing on it. I don't know if the company is Chinese, but certainly the box itself is quite heavy. But let's see. Let's hope it actually arrives safely and not, all damaged and anything like that. I have a bit of trouble opening this with one hand. I don't even think I did it correctly, actually. I think I just ripped the wrong wrapper. Okay, so we're at the top. We're at the top, and find a way to open this tape right here. You have to hold the camera steady so you can actually see this being ripped open. Probably not going to keep the box, or I might keep the box to hold like other stuff. After I get to the Fightstick, I'll probably spend a few minutes talking about it. But I'm not going to make this video that long. So the sooner I can get this box open, better. Okay, we seem to have gone one side open here. This video is not going to be very perfect, but just a simple unboxing here, nothing special. Okay, just gonna lift it up from the other side. Okay, just gonna stand up a little bit and let it land on my leg here. Trying to. Oh, never mind. It's gonna stand up by itself. Okay, got the box right here. Sorry about the shaking. It's really hard to. Holy smokes. Is this really the Fightstick? Damn. Let's get a good look at that packaging right here. I'm gonna keep this box. This box is worth keeping. Okay, going back down. Flip over to the other side and get a good look at that too. Okay. It's got Chinese and English writing. Very good description of the Fightstick's features and whatnot. You got the LED indicator, back button, mode button, turbo button. Very amazing spelling right there. Any other spelling errors? No, looks good. Okay, let's get to the stick itself. So, judging from the duration, this video is probably going to last another 3 minutes. Wow, how the heck do you open this thing? Oh, there we go. Very nice artwork right there. And we got another one over here. Pick that open. I don't know what the heck I'm looking at. Seems to be some sort of extra cables here. Yeah, I have no idea what this is, so I'm just gonna throw it aside. Getting to the stick itself, just gonna carry it from this thing. I can open the wrapper here. After reading a lot of reviews with the other fight sticks, I was convinced that this one is probably the most cost efficient in the market right now. A couple of key reasons is because this fight stick has a handle. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. Let me turn on the light first so you can get a better look at it. Okay, that light didn't seem to do too much, but whatever. So yeah, the key reasons for this fight stick being a little bit better is because of the handle right up here. So you can carry it like a suitcase, literally. And this is probably the first fight stick I've seen that actually has a handle, so that's what convinced me. And the second reason is, according to some response time tests that someone did, this fight stick seemed to have by far like one of the best response times compared to the other fight sticks, so that was another key reason. And I don't know, it's just buttons feel very smooth when pressing. No resistance right here, just literally just have to like slightly just tap it and it's already executed here. The joystick seems pretty responsive. Not too heavy, not too light, just pretty much the right amount actually. I just can't seem to find any flaws with it. And of course I'll have to test the stick a few times to actually give more feedback. But aside from that, you know, the appearance looks really good. You know, having the handle is definitely a plus, and yeah, being compatible with Xbox 360, PS3, and PC is also a plus. So yeah. Just gonna quickly take a look at the back here. Okay. And that's about it. Going to work on some fighting games with this stick and hopefully I'll get better, I guess. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you guys later.